can see that this is a legit test. Just showing you what I've got so far here. Not feeling terribly talkative today, so I'm just going to show you a demonstration of what I've got going so far. Oh, guess I have to connect some power first. Hang on. Yeah, I know I'm breaking every rule in the book by connecting my battery this way, but it's just for the sake of experimentation. We've got this Castle Sidewinder 3 back here, and here's the switch. Let's just turn the bugger on and see what happens. And then down at the other end of the shaft here is our rotor assembly. This is kind of a precarious setup, so just have to be careful here. So here we go with the throttle. Now I'm going to have to put the camera down where it's going to be a useful view for you. Not so much there, eh? Nah, not so good there. Do this. Obviously I can't go beyond a certain speed because I can't apply enough tension to the belt and pull the trigger and hold this camera at the same time and push and pull on this link here so that I can demonstrate. See. Okay, anyway, there we go, guys. That's what I've got so far for my TriSki. Any suggestions, any helpful hints, I'd appreciate any comments that you have for me. I'm really enjoying this build. And Aaron, hey, there you go, buddy. There's the largest one. I've got two of these puppies here somewhere. Anyway, see you later, guys. Thanks.